In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add least squares moving average indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the indicators button. It's usually near the top toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on indicators. This is where you can add all kinds of tools and studies to your chart. When the indicators window opens, you'll see several sections and categories. What we want to focus on is the area that groups everything under technical studies. If you're not already there by default, navigate to the section labeled for technicals. This is where TradingView keeps the standard technical indicators that most traders use, and it's also where we'll find the least squares moving average. Now inside that technicals area, look for the search bar at the top of the window. This search bar lets you quickly find any indicator without having to scroll through a long list. Click once inside the search field so your cursor is active there. This is going to make the whole process much faster and more precise. Next, start typing least squares moving average into the search bar. You don't have to rush, just type it carefully so TradingView can recognize what you're looking for. As you type, you should see the results filter down, and the least squares moving average indicator will appear in the list below. Once you see it show up, click on it one time. As soon as you click it, TradingView will automatically add the indicator to your chart and you'll see a new line or set of lines appear, depending on the default settings. From here, you can customize the indicator if you want to. You can adjust things like the length, the color, and the thickness of the line to make it easier to see with your existing chart style. To do that, just hover over the indicator name in the chart legend, click the settings icon, and tweak it until it looks the way you prefer. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features and a smoother experience, use the link in my video description to sign up. Once you're set up, you'll be able to follow these exact steps and start using the least squares moving average in your own analysis right away.